What's up, YouTube, man? I'm back with another video. Back with another one. Let y'all check it out. Let me explain to y'all what's going on now. Don't mind my garage, man. I got tools everywhere. I thought I was done with the swap, but apparently I wasn't. I had forgot to do some things with the harness. I didn't read the rest of the instructions. So what I had forgot was to apply to install a TCC switch, which tells the torque converter or something like that when to be applied or not. It's supposed to send 12 volts or something like that. So that's what I did, and I got some other modifications that I did to the car. First, we're gonna talk about the TCC switch. Let me see. Let me get under here. Let me show y'all where the instructions say TCC switch. Somewhere up here. Brake signal, TCC ground. The 12 volts brake not applied. I didn't have that hooked up, so I had ordered one off of Amazon. It's right here, and I ran the wire for that. This one look like this. It look like it's coming off of here. It's barely on there. Put it on there. Glad I looked up underneath here. Hold on a second, y'all. Okay, it's actually on there. This is the switch right here. That's the brakes. And this is when the brakes is applied, it's supposed to take power away from here, and when the brakes is not applied, it's supposed to send power back. But yeah, that's what's going on. And I'm still trying to learn how to drive this car with the stall. I don't even understand it. It seems like I got to give it a lot of gas for it to get going. So I don't know if I need a tune. So I've been really just studying HP tuners, trying to learn how to tune the trans and like put the pressure on there or whatever. But I got some more modifications that I did. Got rid of the clutch fan. And I got a cold air intake. So I think I'm gonna move it. I had put this fan shroud back in here. I don't know if y'all drop in the comment section to let me know if I still need the fan shroud, because I'm thinking about taking it out, and that way I can have more room for this cold air intake. But that's the fan is, y'all see it is down up in there. I think it's a 16-inch fan. I just wired it right up. The relay's over here. Clutch fan is down there. Got rid of that. It's just wired it. It came with relays and a fuse right there. This is the relay. I just tucked it up, tucked it back here. These are relays for the lights. And that's about it, man. Yeah, I just wired it up. Hasn't been started today. I think I'm gonna give y'all a cold start. It sounds pretty good. It's the rest of the little parts right here. This thing right here is too big. I ain't gonna be able to fit that in there. So I'm gonna just go get a smaller K&N filter and put on there. I'm just gonna use the tube, just this part. Might get another one of these so I can stretch it out more. And I'm gonna have to probably remove this fan shroud. Yep, that's where the MAP sensor, whatever the hell they call it. Mass airflow sensor. So we're gonna get something, I don't know, to figure this out. I might have to move this out the way. It's just whatever the hell that is. And I might keep it. It might be a canister for something. So I'm gonna figure out what that is. Might be able to connect that to a PCV valve or something. Other than that, man, I got a this is a brand new radiator, and I got a leak somewhere, man. So I'm gonna buy another radiator, and the reason why I'm not driving it now, I'm gonna put an intercooler in here. So I'm not gonna use the this radiator for the trans. I'm gonna get an intercooler with a fan. I'm gonna just put it on the outside of there because I don't want nothing to go wrong. So I'm gonna start the car and let it run, give y'all a cold start. YouTube sign up there. I don't want to really drive the car till I get it all the way dialed in. I don't want no leaks or nothing, so just working on it little by little. Let me show y'all the RPM. We down to like 780. Cold air intake. I think I'm gonna move this out the way.